Hey, what's up? It's Jimbo here with Proje Products. Going to give you a quick tip today on how to restore the black trim on these window crowns without making a ginormous mess. As you can see on this Camaro, even with this dry applicator, it's very difficult to fit your sponge in here, and if you had product on the pad right now, you'd be getting it all over the paintwork. Luckily for you, with Proje Products, this is paint safe, so it'll wipe right off, but it just makes a lot of extra work for you. So I'm going to give you a quick tip today on how to actually apply trim on here without making a ginormous mess. So how we're going to do that is we're actually going to pop the hood and reach the window crown from inside the engine bay. Let me show you how. As you can see, once we have the hood open, our reachability and our access to the window crown is much better. It's going to result in a much cleaner, more even finish without all the mess.